Alright guys, have fun. You first.
Look at that one. You sure you don't want to be up there, buddy?
I'm thinking sure. Hold on, I should play here. I'll,
But you are going to get killed there. Hang on. Land, right? Hang on.
Ready? I'll catch him. Here we go. Camera's rolling. We are live here at the Grand Canyon. Down a little bit.
There you go.
We're set here. Live at the Grand Canyon.
This is our number.
We're going into a 7 here. A 7, folks.
It's just like the Richter scale.
The water's cold.
Yeah,
Very,
the
very
water is very cold, about 50 degrees, maybe less.
They said it's
45, yeah. Doesn't make a difference because we're gonna soaked anyways. If I die, someone can have my car. Woo! Woo! Coming in hot. Oh, there's that thing. Woo! Oh my gosh! Woo! Yes! I expect 1 million views on YouTube. That was worth it.